morning, everyone. My name is Albish Irengbam. I'm from Unacco school, and as a part of today's competition, I'm going to talk about emotional health for a happy life. So, let us know what is emotional health. Emotional health is the ability of a person to manage its emotion. Being emotionally healthy doesn't mean that we are happy. It means we know how to deal with our emotions even in the most bad timing or negative situations. Being emotionally healthy is very important nowadays because we face lots of stress and anxiety in our daily life. It's a part of our modern world. So there are various ways of coping or improving emotional health. Some of them are forgiving ourselves and others when we make mistakes, and staying positive even in negative situation, seeing the good side and bright side of things, and keeping our physical health fit so that we don't stress out much. Sleeping is also very important for good emotional health. So we know the importance of emotional health in our life. We always need to stay positive even in the most negative situations because it is very much important. Being emotionally unstable can lead to various acts which can be dangerous to ourselves. As a teenager, we should all learn to be emotionally happy and make our mind stable. We should not overthink some situations, and we should not stress out about things a lot. We should always see the positive sides more and not focus on negative sides. We can practice all the measures that I said earlier, and we can also talk to our friends or close ones when we are feeling down or emotionally unstable. So as of now, people all around the world needs to be emotionally healthy, so we can because there is a pandemic. COVID-19 is going around all over the world, so we need to stay positive and look at the brighter side of things so that we can all fight this pandemic together. It's been a pleasure to be a part of this competition. Thank you.